Hey everybody! My name is Diane and this is EWA app channel. And today we're gonna share with you top slang words from native speakers from their daily speech. So, if you're interested, just keep on watching. And I'd like to start with the word dig. Dig. This is the word that means that you enjoy something really much. For example,
and with apologies to Lady Gaga,
I'm digging that new Lady Gaga's track. It's awesome.
Very diggy.
Lady Gaga?
Yeah.
The next one is botch. To botch means to mess something up or to make a mistake. For example, damn, I just botched that test. Butt in is to interrupt the conversation. So, for example, if your brother asks you, don't butt in here, I'm trying to talk to my bae, you just have to watch out and go.
Grace, I won't butt in.
Bae. What is a bae?
And actually, speaking of, the word bae. So basically, this means before anyone else, which is your one and only, your love. So this is the good word for 2019. Just keep it in mind. Piss off.
piss off.
Piss off.
Piss off yourself.
Everyone knows this phrase, right? It basically saying, get the fuck out of my face. Or it means that you're furious about something that's going on around you. Like for example, I'm so pissed off by this new song, like hell no. The next one is my favorite. It's yes. And it's celebratory slang simply meaning yes.
Yes.
Yes, queen.
Actually, it's quite annoying for the audience, but who cares? I don't.
Yes.
Ace. Ace is something that is going on exceedingly good, like excellent. And since it's an Australian slang, I don't know what to say, so someone please put in some movie.
Ace.
The next word is kudos. Kudos are the sign of awesomeness. So when you earn some kudos, it means you gain some respect and recognition from your friends or the audience, never mind.
I say, kudos to Dr. Reed.
So when you like something, you just say, oh yeah, kudos for that. Binge watching is marathon watching TV series or Netflix episodes with little to no sleep at all. So for example, you can say, I just watched the season 5 of Friends. I binged watched it to death.
We binge watch that show together is our thing.
Thank you next is something that helped you already in your life, but you need to move on to another level. So when you're done with something and you need to move on, you can say, thank you. Next.
Thank you. Next.
Nailed it. It's actually a good one because if you do something right and fulfill your task successfully, it's good. So your friends say, oh, you won that basketball game. Wow, good for you. And you say, nailed it.
Nailed it.
But sometimes you lose and you screw it all up. And all you have to say is, nailed it. Easy peasy. This is the good way to state that something is so easy to do. And actually, it was invented by the company Lemon Squeezy. It was their slogan, the funny one, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Haha.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Ditto. Ditto is commonly used as a way of saying same or I agree. For example, your friend tells you, this new noodle place is a total mess. And you say, ditto. And it was my list of slang words. If you want to add some to my list, Just leave your comments down below. If you want to know more, go and download EWA app. I'll leave the link down below in the info box. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.